Good morning, 2E1CQ. Just turn down the TV a bit. Now this video is, I'll just get a picture up on the screen, is to say Merry Christmas to everybody, especially to our subscribers on Hams over IP VoIP network. That's a network where you can dial from a zip-enabled internet phone from an extension number on our system into some AllStar nodes, like from Extended Freedom, the Freestar Network, Digital Voice Scotland, Digital Voice New Zealand, VK Oz Hub, and many more from the States. We've had a very successful 2024. From majority of our membership or subscribers are from the States. But however, moving away from that to our EU server, we've had an excellent year for subscribers joining our EU server from the UK and from Europe, and we've had a number of new subscribers from our Asia and Pacific region as well. So this is a Merry Christmas to everybody connected to Hams over IP, the admin team and our subscribers. Wish everybody a Merry Christmas. And let's continue that success in 2025 with this unusual way of ham radio communications via the AllStar radio network. 73s, all the best. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube videos in the last year. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in 2025. 73s from 2E1CQ for Ham Radio 3.0. All the best.